funny.
Really serious. I don't feel so Where's the nearest black person? How you make him stop? Turn it around, face him real quick, like just slowly. Act like you're looking at. Oh shit, which one's Cummins?
You don't even know. Well, I know this neighborhood. My friends live here.
This is it! This is to Walmart! You banned me from 4 stores! I don't care! I'm going there and I'm gonna get the cops called on me! And I'm gonna do a legal thing! Woohoo! That's so loud. $20 for me to put this on my head.
$20.
All day, every day. I'm gonna steal your children and hide them in captivity. God, dude! Yeah, I just got my frat boy. I'm a frat.